Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to create this gorgeous vintage window slimline card, and this is super duper gorgeous. I have made shaker window inside this, and you will learn how to create this cute window along with these lamps and these lovely handmade flowers. Also the background is completely handmade, so there are lots of technique you will going to learn in this card. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. First I'm taking this cardstock base which measures 9 by 21 centimeters, and I have used this brick embossing folder by Dress My Craft to create the texture on my cardstock. Can you see this beautiful brick texture? If you don't have this embossing pad, you can also use brick stencil and texture paste. Now using antique linen and vintage photo distress ink, I am going to distress the sheet so that we can highlight the brick design very well. I am starting from the corner and coming towards the center part. Like this, and if you want little darker shade in the corners, you can use little black soot distress ink only in the corners. This blending brush works really very well on the cardstocks. So just complete this and our base is ready. Now I'm just adding little splashes on the corners using black soot distressing. I have just taken little black soot ink on the surface, little water, and then using my brush I am splattering some spots in both the corners to give it little more vintage look. And now our beautiful brick background is done. Then here I am taking this window die cutout which is from Little Birdie, and also you will get this extra portion in the same die for the bottom part of the window. So we need two pieces for each die, and for this I have used 250 GSM white color cardstock. Now I am going to stick both the layers together. And it's done. It will come in the front part of the window, but I will add little dimension behind this so that we can do the floral arrangement. So keep it aside for some time. And first I am coloring this window using aqua blue color. I have just mixed little bit of green color with my blue, and for this coloring part I am using watercolors, but you can also use chalk paints or acrylic colors or even poster colors, whatever you have. And also you can use colored cardstock directly. So our window is completely dry, then the color is absolutely beautiful. Now on back side of the window I have just added double-sided tacky tape on all four sides. So I'm just removing the liners and sticking one piece of acetate sheet with this so that we can make our shaker So just sticking the acetate, burnish all the edges very well using bone folder, and it will look like this from the front. Now again I am adding tacky tape on all four sides. Tacky tape works best with acetate sheet. No other glue can work very nicely. If you use normal liquid glue, it may come off after some time, so I would suggest to use tacky tape only. Burnishing it and then removing all the liners again. Then on top of this I am going to add double-sided foam tape to give little dimension. Add it very closely, don't leave any gap. And now it's time to fill the window using some shaker elements. So I am adding this beautiful sparkle dust and white color flower pearls by Dress My Craft inside the window. Spreading it evenly inside the window, and then just removing the double-sided foam tape liners, and then I am going to stick one piece of pattern paper on top of this. Burnish it and our cute shaker window is ready. I just love shaker ideas so much. It's very fun to play with it. Now I'm just decorating the top of the window using this beautiful intricate die, and I have just layered this die using white and black cardstock for the shadow, and I have also distressed it using same vintage photo from the edge. So to give it little more Victorian look, I have added this die. And then in the bottom I am going to add this piece which we have connected in the starting, and to give it little dimension I am going to add one piece of double-sided foam tape with this, so that it will have little height when we will add the flowers. So the window is ready. Now I am taking one gold mirror cardstock which measures 9.5 by 21.5 centimeters, and I am going to stick this brick background on this. So you will get very nice 2 mm border on all four sides. Nice golden border. And then I am taking this 20 by 22 centimeters white color cardstock for the base of the card, and I am going to add this brick pattern on this. Then exactly in the center I am going to stick my window. I am sticking it on upper side little bit because we will add floral arrangement and also the sentiment in the bottom. So I'm fixing my window little bit on upper side. Like this. It's looking super cute and very vintage. Then I have these cute lamps which are made using black cardstock, and for this I have used this lamp die by Little Birdie. I have only used the center part of this to create the lamps, and from backside I have added gold mirror cardstock for the lightning part. So I'm just sticking these lamps on both the sides of window. Similarly, add the another lamp on this side. Now it's time to make tiny flowers. So here I'm taking 8 petal flowers and we need 3 layers for one flower, and using poppy red archival ink I'm just adding little ink in the center of the flower. Sprinkle some water on these flowers, make it moist, and soaking the excess water using rough cloth or any tissue paper. Rotate it in opposite side on your embossing pad, and till the time it is getting set I am just taking this 5 petal flower which is made using peach color paper and just rolling it using ball tool. Prick the hole in the center using needle and passing one green color thread pollen through this and making the tiny filler. In the same way I have prepared one more filler using peach color paper. So joining both the pieces together and the cute filler is ready. Allow it to dry. Till the time I am just shaping all my flowers using groove golf tool from backside. Just pinch in the center using backside of any paintbrush. Join all 3 layers together. And for the center of the flower I am taking this red pearl drop by Little Birdie, like this. So in the same way I have prepared 3 big flowers and 4 small flowers and total 10 filler flowers. So flowers are ready. Now it's time to make the leaves. So for this I am taking this green color paper and this cute leaf punch, just punching it like this, and to shape it again I am taking my embossing pad and from back side using ball tool just shaping it like this. Again rotate it and pinch in the center. Very easy to shape. And in this way I have prepared all my shapes. Now taking back my card, and it's time to decorate the bottom of the window using our handmade flowers. So I'm just assembling my tiny flowers, my filler flowers, leaves randomly, and just enjoy the arrangement. In the same way, I will add some more leaves here and there according to the requirement. So the arrangement is done. Now it's time to add the sentiment. So here I am taking this beautiful happy die which is cut on gold mirror cardstock. And for the birthday wishes, I have just stamped birthday on white cardstock. So I'm adding it on the top and our card is completed. It's looking very pretty and very vintage. I'm just loving the outcome so much, and all the supply links are given in description box if you want to purchase anything. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.